Cascais is a charming coastal town located just west of Lisbon, Portugal. It's known for its beautiful beaches, historic sites, and vibrant atmosphere. Here are some of the highlights of Cascais. Beaches. Cascais boasts stunning beaches, including Praia de Boca do Inferno Beach, known for its dramatic cliffs and crashing waves. Historic Center. Explore the charming historic center of Cascais, with its narrow cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and historic landmarks. Citadel of Cascais. Visit the 17th century citadel, a former royal residence with impressive fortifications and panoramic views. Boca do Inferno. This dramatic natural formation is a must-see. The crashing waves against the cliffs create a spectacular sight. Surfing. Cascais is a popular surfing destination, with several excellent surf spots nearby. Fresh seafood. Indulge in delicious fresh seafood at the many restaurants and cafes along the waterfront. Tips for visiting Cascais. Best time to visit. Spring and autumn offer pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Getting around. Cascais is easily accessible by train from Lisbon. You can also rent a car or use local buses to explore the surrounding area. What to pack? Pack comfortable shoes for walking, sunscreen, and a hat. Enjoy the local cuisine. Don't miss the opportunity to try fresh seafood and other local delicacies. Cascais is a delightful destination that offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Cascais offers several lovely beaches. Here are a few of the most popular. Praia de Ribeira, located right in the heart of Cascais, this is a popular choice with calm waters, ideal for families. Praia de Cascais, a long, sandy beach with lifeguards and plenty of beach bars and restaurants nearby. Praia de Duquesa, another popular beach close to the town center, offering golden sands and a lively atmosphere. These are just a few of the many beautiful beaches you can find in Cascais. Enjoy your time at the beach. Cascais is a charming coastal town located just west of Lisbon, Portugal. It's easily accessible from the Portuguese capital, making it a popular day trip or weekend getaway. Here are the main ways to get from Lisbon to Cascais. Train. This is the most popular and convenient option. The Cascais line, Linha de Cascais, runs regularly from Cais do Sodré station in Lisbon to Cascais. The journey takes about 40 minutes and offers scenic views along the coast. Bus. Several bus lines also connect Lisbon to Cascais, providing a more affordable option. Car. Driving offers flexibility but can be more challenging due to traffic, especially during peak season. Taxi. Taxis are readily available in Lisbon, but they can be expensive. Uber. Uber is also available in Lisbon and can be a convenient option for getting to and from Cascais. Tips for your trip. Purchase a Viva Viagem card. This rechargeable card can be used on all public transportation in Lisbon, including trains and buses. Check train schedules. Check the train schedule in advance, especially during peak season. Enjoy the scenic route. Take your time and enjoy the scenic coastal views on the train or bus journey. Cascais offers a charming blend of history, beaches, and coastal beauty. Here are some of the best places to visit. Boca do Inferno, Mouth of Hell. This dramatic cliff-top formation is a must-see. The crashing waves against the rocks create a powerful and awe-inspiring spectacle. Citadel of Cascais, explore this 17th century fortress, a former royal residence with impressive fortifications and panoramic views. Praia de Boca de Inferno, this beach is located right by the Boca de Inferno and offers stunning views of the cliffs. Praia de Cascais, a popular beach with golden sands, ideal for sunbathing and swimming. Historic Center, wander through the charming cobblestone streets of the old town, admire the colorful buildings, and visit local shops and cafes. Mercado de Vila, explore the local market, where you can find fresh produce, local delicacies, and souvenirs. Casa de Guia, this lighthouse offers panoramic views of the coastline. Museum of the Sea, learn about the maritime history of Cascais at this fascinating museum. Beyond Cascais, Sintra, take a day trip to Sintra, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its fairy tale palaces and lush gardens. Cabo de Roca, visit the westernmost point of continental Europe for breathtaking coastal views. These are just a few of the many wonderful places to visit in and around Cascais. Enjoy your exploration of this beautiful coastal town. Cascais offers a delightful culinary scene. Here are some of the must-tries. Fresh seafood. Being a coastal town, Cascais boasts an abundance of fresh seafood. Look for dishes like grilled sardines, grilled octopus, seafood rice, and cataplana, a traditional Portuguese seafood stew. Petiscos. These small plates are perfect for sharing and offer a taste of Portuguese flavors. Try dishes like chorizo, olives, cheese, and cured meats. Pastel de nata. Indulge in this iconic Portuguese custard tart, best enjoyed warm with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Seafood rice. Arroz de marisco is a flavorful rice dish with a variety of seafood, such as shrimp, clams, and mussels. Grilled fish. Enjoy simply grilled fish like sea bass or dorada, often served with grilled vegetables. Where to find delicious food in Cascais? Waterfront restaurants. Many restaurants along the waterfront offer stunning ocean views and fresh seafood. Local markets. Explore the local market for fresh produce, cheeses, and other local delicacies. Charming cafes. Enjoy a leisurely meal at one of the many charming cafes in the historic center. Don't forget to pair your meal with a glass of vinho verde, a refreshing Portuguese white wine. Enjoy your culinary adventures in Cascais. Living in Cascais can be a truly delightful experience, but it's important to consider the pros and cons. Pros. Beautiful scenery. Enjoy stunning coastal views, beaches, and proximity to natural parks. High quality of life. Cascais offers a high quality of life with excellent infrastructure, good healthcare, and a strong sense of community. Expat friendly. Cascais has a significant expat community, making it easy to connect with other internationals. Outdoor lifestyle. Embrace an active lifestyle with easy access to beaches, walking trails, and opportunities for water sports. Proximity to Lisbon. Enjoy the convenience of being close to the vibrant Portuguese capital while living in a more relaxed coastal setting. Cons. Cost of living. Cascais can be an expensive area to live in, particularly for housing. Traffic. Traffic congestion can be an issue, especially during peak season. Tourism. The town can be busy with tourists, especially during the summer months. Limited job market. Finding employment outside of the tourism sector may be challenging. Tips for living in Cascais. Learn some Portuguese. While English is spoken in many tourist areas, learning some basic Portuguese will greatly enhance your experience. Embrace the local culture, explore local markets, try traditional Portuguese cuisine, and participate in local events. Connect with the expat community. Join local expat groups or clubs to meet other internationals and build a social network. Consider transportation options. Explore options like public transportation, cycling, or walking to minimize reliance on a car. Living in Cascais offers a unique blend of coastal living, Portuguese culture, and international community. If you're seeking a high-quality lifestyle in a beautiful setting, Cascais could be the perfect place for you.